Hello, hello. Sunny there. Carl is on top of the hill and Karim's on top of the hill, suffering from a little bit of a flu. You can hear that my voice is like a bit squeaky. Yeah, I had a bit of flu and throat infection, but I'm almost back. Yeah, guys, we're going to do a little bit of harvesting today. We have yellow pepper ready. So yeah, let's go do this in this windy, rainy day, misty day, crazy day. But let's go do this, and we have also the spinach has grown also so much. We have to get that spinach as well, and we'll see what else we can get around the yard that can be used today for dinner. While I'm on that, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. Let's go do this. Wow. Let's set it up. Let's set it up. Alright, let's open this up. Open this up. Okay, there's a red one there, and there's a green one here. I'll get some green pepper and some red pepper here. Yeah, not completely turned, but was about to turn. Let's get some tomatoes as well. Let me see. I'm gonna take a whole bunch. Some tomatoes. These are beautiful. Look at them. Yummy. Yummy. Some habaneros. No, not habanero. Jalapenos. Jalapenos. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. Put it there. And now if you can see what I'm getting, show you. Yeah, there. Put some parsley. Look at what we found. Look at what we found. Look at this guy. There we go. Get that. See. Get there. Whew. This bending is killing my back. Now I need to reach in here and get in there and get those beautiful peppers there. Boom. Boom. Whew. Yay. Ah. Ooh. Eh. Oh la la. Oh là là. Alright. Okay, I think I've got everything on this bed here. You can close it. Then move along. You can close it and move along. Ooh, this wind and the rain. It's not so much raining. It's more like drizzling. Okay, now let's go get the spinach and see what else we can get. Okay. Oh yeah. It's there. Take this. It's there. Okay, so let's start here. Not good. Whew. Right, so this is what we managed to get. This is our harvest. We've got some cherry tomatoes, a green pepper, a red pepper, 2 yellow bell peppers, 2 reddish, parsley, what's this?
Creeps.
No. And a whole bunch of Swiss chard. A whole bunch of Swiss chard. Swiss chard or spinach. It depends how you call it. We generally call it spinach. But some people call it Swiss chard, or they differentiate between Swiss chard and spinach. We just call it spinach here. So this is how much we got. So we will be able to master some sort of a dinner out of this. And we are grateful for that, and we are happy for that. And yeah, I can't tell you how much appreciative we are of all that we got. Otherwise, guys, Sandile here, God is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. I know videos have been scarce lately. It is December, it is holiday season, it is festive season, it is about Christmas time, you know, all those things. So we're busy with other things, even though we still tend to our gardens and make sure they are okay. But yeah, we're busy with other things. Don't do that, please. Don't. Thank you. So, I mean, I know in the Northern Hemisphere, your Americas, your Europe, this is like your winter, like probably your hardcore winter. For us, this is like summer, like hardcore summer. So we still have a lot growing, a lot harvesting, a lot going up until March. That's when autumn, winter will be starting for us. But still, even during that time, we still are able to plant a lot and harvest a lot. But we will see as time goes on, as I keep updating. So tomorrow we're leaving again with the family. We just came back yesterday from the Free State. I'm sure you saw the video I uploaded when we were at Eric's house in the Free State in Tabanchu. So tomorrow we're leaving again. We're going to Ulundi, which is my wife's homestead, and we're gonna spend Christmas there, and we'll be back maybe 27, somewhere there. And then I'll have to go look on the sweet potato because I believe that some of it needs to be taken out, harvested, and I need to start training the slips to develop roots, because as soon as I'm done harvesting and then the slips have developed the roots, I'll put them back on the same buckets that I'll have harvested from, so that it starts generating, you know. So otherwise, guys, Sunday here, God is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the videos, share the videos. Those that have subscribed, you are highly appreciated. Those that are commenting, you are highly appreciated. Keep it up and share with your families and the like-minded people. Otherwise, I am out. And Jenny?
Out.
Voila.